So let's continue working with this project. You can see that we're missing this view, and also we want to add this remove, and this is going to remove the element from the DOM and also from the local storage. So first let's start working with this one. If you remember, we already have this functionality, but this is on the results delegation. We are checking if we are in the results div. In this case, we are in the favorites. So that's why it's not working. So we're gonna write a similar function right here. We're going to add when view or delete are clicked. So we're gonna use the favorites table to add our delegation, add event listener. And when we click, we're gonna pass an event and we're gonna execute a function. We're gonna prevent the default and we're going to use some delegation. So we're gonna add if e.target.classlist.contains, and we're gonna add get recipe. So this is the name of the class. In this case, we're gonna execute the same function that we have here on the top. So we're gonna copy this and paste right here. So we're gonna add cocktail in a dot get single recipe. We're gonna pass the ID and then we're gonna display the recipe. So save this and click here, and now you can see this is going to print the elements that we have in the local storage. So this is working fine. So before we continue, let's check this. You can see that this has this remove recipe class. So right here, we're going to add another one, another if. When remove button is clicked in favorites. So we're gonna, it's going to be really similar to this on the top. So let's add this. And in this case, it's going to be remove recipe. So we're gonna remove recipe. And in this case, we're gonna remove the element. So we're gonna remove from DOM, and it's going to be user interface remove favorite. And we're gonna pass the element. So we're gonna console log, and we're gonna add e. First, I'm gonna add this outside. Console log e dot target dot parent element, and comment this line. So save this, click here on remove, and here on the console you can see this is returning the table data, so we need to add another parent element. So we're going to add parent element, and click here, and you can see this is going to be the table row. So we're gonna pass this, I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna comment this, and I'm gonna pass this element into this method. We haven't created this yet, so we're gonna copy this, and right here we're gonna add a new method, remove single favorite from DOM, and this is going to take an element. So basically it's going to be like element dot remove. So we're gonna save this again, we're gonna click here on remove, and you can see this removes the element from the DOM. If you reload this is going to go back. So in the next video, we're gonna see how we can remove this from the local storage.